Eric, you have absolutely made an amazing change to the editor over these last several weeks in so many different areas. And one of them that I want to look at today is what I'm calling the page editing shortcuts. So show us some of that aspect of the changes that you've made.
Yeah, there's really no visible cues, and I'll try to explain it over a video, but it's just when you're working, the ability to copy and paste. So it's maybe, hopefully you can see this on the video, but I have two columns. So these boxes are actually uh, three nested flex containers that create this entire look. So that one box is three flex containers. This other one is three flex containers. So if you grab the parent, right? So the parent is the very outside here. So I'm just going to click, and all of a sudden when I click, you can see it gets like a blue line.
Yeah.
Right. And so now that I've clicked, I can hit my command copy on my keyboard, and I can also, so I could just delete that. I could also come in here and just paste it back in. If I wanted to, I could come back over here and get this parent container, and I could just simply paste it. I've selected that About Us container, and I can replace it simply with a paste command.
Oh my.
So you can copy and paste. I could select this image. I've selected it. I copy it. I come over here. I don't want that MP3 player there. I want to replace that with an image, and I just paste it right in and over top of it.
So it's wherever you put your cursor by selecting something,
Right.
and then
I mean,
do
you can,
Command V for paste, and it replaces it.
yeah, I mean, you can replace something, or you can just paste it in that place, right? I mean, you can put it in between text. I want to put it in right there and just paste it. So it just gives you the flexibility to copy and paste items. If I just wanted this green box, I can just select, I can just click one time on that double click, that yellow one, that it selects that box.
Yeah.
I copy it, and let's say I just wanted to put another one below here. It doesn't make sense, but we'll just do it. And you can see that we just did that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it just helps you with kind of moving items around on the page and just quickly making, quickly putting elements where you want them to go.
So it just makes editing the pages a lot more easy for the person to do.
It's just kind of an advanced feature with copying and pasting and selecting some of the components on the page.
Very nice, Eric.
Yeah.
Thanks.